Like artificial intelligence.
Um, I would actually say that artificial intelligence or electricity has never dominated humanity. Well, not this side of the last million years. I mean, I suppose it does dominate the brain. Electricity does dominate the electric structure of the brain. Is its source is in electricity. So it's in but it is a question if the body produces that electricity, or is it an antenna of that electricity which comes elsewhere. The sun, we know that we get our energy from the sun through photosynthesis, but there are also other forms of electricity or energy out there. They say gamma rays from the Big Bang and the Hawking's points and the theories of Sir Roger Penrose. So I suppose we're playing the mind, and that it's a new form of instrument, I suppose, and empowered by AI, separate types of people can create a form of a dance, a choreographed dance, and it also needs to be choreographed, but it can create a dance. And what would have taken corporations or countries to organise, or great budgets to organise in the past, can be done, and so you can empower small groups in ways which could be done before. And so that also shows, I think that really is our unique just coordinates. It's like people are mimicking the exact coordinates of success, and they're doing it on a mass level. And so people, and they're being aided. They had the foresight to create aids to empower each other, which is really the story of the 21st century, to empower each other to make their creativity more common, and people are able to do so. And I suppose that the results of that vision are being paid off now in the 21st century. So I think that our leaders in the past who brought us to this time were responsible and clever and visionary. There are amazing people. It's incredible to see on the earth such remarkable people out there. People need to know and to emulate and to mimic, like to sing like birds, the same story and the same of these people, but not necessarily what they say. That's yellow journalism, but really their actions. And now their actions are often in the background. They're not noticeable. What is noticeable is their face. But really, behind their faces, or there are other, substrata of meaning. I wonder if it comes out actually in photography and in videography, with the substrata and eyes. I suppose it's a matter of whether the eyes are dilating and that the speed of dilation and enthusiasm, whatever that means, facial expressions. I think the neuroscientists are saying that it's possible to mimic to some degree. So to copy best practices is probably very good, and if we do so on a mass scale, we're going to be a very lucky society. And using AI to coordinate, it's going to be exponential, the development, and so we have questions we have religious questions. So those who are actually religious, they might say, well, what about their soul? Because of their soul is being answered, their thirst for their soul is being answered by so many different possibilities that we have now. But those who say, we want more, everyone can pursue their most amazing dreams. They should just imagine it. That's what I would suggest to imagine, even people at any age. And after crises, after being disenfranchised, after losing, to imagine something, and then to find AI, to work out how AI can create an army or reproduce itself many, many times over to empower that person's will and imagination. So we'll finish there.